Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report from Microsoft. The report was first published on our website Friday, July 1st, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Microsoft? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since June 28, 2022, our system ranks the Microsoft stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.670. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 1.21%. This is an average return of 0.3% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Microsoft, our last headline reads, Microsoft stock price up 1.07% on Friday. The Microsoft stock price gained 1.07% on the last trading day, Friday, July 1, 2022, rising from $256.83 to $259.58. During the day the stock fluctuated 2.03% from a day low at $254.61 to a day high of $259.77. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.96% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -9 million shares and in total, 23 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.85 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $349.67, and the lowest price was $241.51. Right now the price is 25.76%, or $90.09, below 52-week high at $349.67, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -13.59% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -22.39% and -9.40%. The 12-month trend indicates a -8.72% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -15.37% and 14.01%. This equals a price between $219.67 and $295.96 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Microsoft stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Microsoft stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Microsoft. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, June 13, 2022, and so far it has risen 7.15%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Microsoft stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $260.66 and $260.18. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 63 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 115 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $255.35, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $5.16 between high and low, or 2.03%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.62%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Microsoft. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Microsoft currently has a price-earning ratio of 27.10. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Microsoft meets first resistance at $260.55. If you do not hold Microsoft shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Microsoft finds first level of support at $255.35, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Microsoft is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 14, 2022, Hoya Alice L. made an inside buy of 116 of common stock. On June 9, 2022, Warrior Padmashri made an inside buy of 9,235 of restricted stock units. On June 9, 2022, Thompson John Wendell made an inside buy of 95,425 of restricted stock units. On June 9, 2022, Thompson John Wendell made an inside buy of 61,569 of restricted stock units. On June 9, 2022, Peterson Sandra E. made an inside buy of 48,623 of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -93.817. In total, the insiders bought 16,522,121 and sold 939,625,042 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Microsoft stock a buy? Microsoft holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 5th, we expect Microsoft to open down -$1.59 and start trading at $257.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.